Well, all right, guys, it's Friday. It's time to pick the winner of our Turner's Warehouse molds. So let's head over to the computer and pick our winners. So congratulations to Jen, you're gonna get these awesome molds. I can't wait to see what you make with these. Nobody more deserving to win these than Jen. You support my channel so much, I really appreciate it. We're all pretty lucky because Jen is probably gonna make some videos using these things, so I can't wait to see what you make with these. If you haven't followed Jen, subscribe to her channel, make sure to do so. I'll have a link on the screen and down in the show notes to her channel so that you can, down the road, see what she makes with these awesome molds. Thank you to everybody that participated in the giveaway. Thank you to everybody who watched the video. And another thing that I want to mention is I've been already seeing people making graffiti style blanks. If you do that and you post on, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, tag me somehow or put a hashtag like graffiti blanks, something like that. Yeah, let's do that. Hashtag graffiti blanks. I'll try and follow that hashtag. I want to see what you make. So it's been awesome so far. We've seen some really cool designs. The beauty of this graffiti design thing that I showed in that video is that, I can kind of show you the technique, which was obviously super simple. Anybody can do it, but you have the choice to put whatever kind of color combinations in there that you want. And it's really cool seeing all the different ones. There's pretty much the combinations of colors are limitless. So make sure to tag me or hashtag graffiti blanks on social media. I can't wait to see what you guys make. So again, congratulations to Jen. Thank you guys all for watching, subscribing, sharing my videos. It all helps out a ton. Can't wait to see what you guys make with the graffiti blanks. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.